What's up, guys? Every Dave here with another video. Today we have a little surprise from Subiespeed, and I already opened it because I wanted to see how everything looked. But yeah, this is the Tomei catback exhaust. I also got the little for the little gap, it's a single outlet. I got the right side cover to go with it. The right side cover to go with it. So let's see what we got here. We got a little information thing. For any damages, they always give me candy, Laffy Taffies. Never eat them though. Don't really trust it. Always get the cherry. Here's one piece. I really wanted to install it today, but it's pretty cold here, Chicago. Try to open this one-handedly. Wow. So you get a silencer, a little silencer right there, gaskets right there, clamps right there. Ooh, that's badass. What? You get a little Tomei badge. That's awesome. And a sticker. Hell yeah, this is dope. I'm definitely gonna put the sticker on my window, but the badge, no. Save it for later. Something else. Wow, what a badass. Yeah, so it's another video right here. I think I need some more light in here. I'm not sure, but here, do I have my phone on me? I do not. I'm trying to put the flash on. Maybe you guys can see a little bit better wherever my phone is at. Here it is. Let's see, right here. All right. Here we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. Just maybe. But yeah. Oh my god. Quality of this exhaust is amazing. Cannot wait. I actually did not expect it to be this big. Bigger than my fucking head. But the welds on it, perfect. Like, look at all that. So much detail was done. Look at all these welds. It's probably like 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 welds on the bend piece alone. That is crazy. I'm only opening this one, the mid pipe and all that stuff. I mean, that can wait, but I also got the shield since there's gonna be a big gap on the right side. But I'm not sure if this is a defect or not. I'm not sure, but like this piece right here is like a little bend. I don't know. It kind of looks like a defect. Maybe I could bend it back. Beautiful. I'm excited. I haven't been this excited in a while. But best believe I'm gonna try to do it. I don't think anybody's shown the inside of it. Big ass freaking gap. A comparison, my hand, this is my hand, here, look at the flash, this is my hand, it's about almost the size of my hand, but yeah, so, got this, got that, got some instructions I see in here, You can see it's clamps and all that. Silencer, optional silencer. Hanger. But yeah. Got some instructions to go with it. It's pretty cool. But yeah, so just want to do a little unboxing. I never really do this. I really never have anything to show you guys, but looks like I have something to show and tell today. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the video tomorrow. It's installation. Not the installation, but I'm not gonna do that. We'll not post a installation video of it because there's only. It's really simple install, but I'm just gonna do that after how it looks after all that stuff. I want to document that. So thanks for watching.